Click on the link below to get price. The ARGENDON Commercial Dehumidifier is a robust solution for tackling humidity issues in basements and crawl spaces. With its powerful extraction capabilities, it can remove up to 90 pints of moisture per day, making it ideal for both residential and commercial applications. One of the standout features is its built-in pump, which allows for continuous drainage. This eliminates the hassle of manually emptying the water tank, especially in larger spaces where the dehumidifier operates for extended periods. The design is practical and user-friendly. At first glance, the unit appears industrial, but it fits seamlessly into any basement environment. The large wheels and sturdy handle make it portable, allowing users to relocate it as needed. The controls are intuitive, featuring a digital display that shows the current humidity level and allows for precise adjustments. Users can set the desired humidity level, and the dehumidifier automatically adjusts its operation to maintain that level, providing peace of mind. In terms of efficiency, the ARGENDON model operates at a low noise level, which is a significant advantage for those who want to minimize disruption in their living or working space. Additionally, the energy-efficient design means it won't drastically increase your electricity bill, making it a smart investment for long-term humidity control. The performance is impressive, quickly reducing dampness and preventing mold growth, a common concern in basements and crawl spaces. Many users have reported noticeable improvements in air quality within days of use. The built-in filter is easy to access and clean, ensuring that the unit maintains optimal performance over time. Overall, the ARGENDON Commercial Dehumidifier with drain hose and pump is a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly option for anyone facing humidity challenges. Its combination of powerful moisture removal, continuous drainage capability, and ease of use makes it a top choice for dealing with damp environments. Whether you're protecting your home or managing a business space, this dehumidifier delivers on its promises, making it a worthwhile addition to your humidity management toolkit.